What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today is just going to be a short video where I share with you documents you need to keep after selling your house. So I just received two. The first one was direct from LHDN. Since the property has no more RPGT, is no longer eligible under RPGT after 6 years. So I received this letter from LHDN stating that LHDN is happy with the sale of the property, and after actually checking, there is no need for me to pay RPGT. Okay, no need. Then my accountant also told me that I need to keep this letter to send for the tax next year. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Please keep all this. Second one that I received is from the lawyer. The lawyer actually gave me the title which bears the name of the new owner to prove that it already has changed hands. Okay, a copy of the strata title. So these two documents you make sure you keep because anytime people need audit, you better keep. Okay, so that's it. Today is a very short video. Just want to share this with you all. Bye.